Welcome to Easy Elite English. We are having pronunciation part 2, in which we are bringing you a set of words commonly mispronounced. Commonly mispronounced words, part 2. Let us see the words which are commonly mispronounced by many persons and try to avoid them and learn the correct pronunciation of words and the rules which govern the correct pronunciation as well. The first principle which we are having, and in fact the principle which we are going to deal with in this video, shortening the unaccented syllable. The unaccented syllable will be shortened in duration and force. When a word contains more than one syllable, it may contain 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 syllables. Only one syllable will be accented. The other unaccented syllables shall be shortened in both duration and force. Let us understand this with the help of examples. Fast. The car goes very fast. So you say fast. That means A is pronounced as a long vowel. The car goes very fast. But when you say breakfast, breakfast, you don't say fast, you say first. Why? Because this is the accented syllable and this is the unaccented syllable. Break is the accented syllable and this is the unaccented syllable. So it should be shortened in both duration and loudness, and we say breakfast, breakfast. Because the accent falls on break and the unaccented syllable is shortened fast to first. Similarly, you say table, table. Can you write the multiplication table of 9? But when we say vegetable, vegetable, so it's not table, it is vegetable. Why? Because this is the accented part and this is the unaccented part, the unaccented set of syllables. So in both the cases, where breakfast and vegetable, we shorten them table to table. So vegetable. So unaccented part is shortened in duration, table to table, and also in force, also in loudness, vegetable. Breakfast. Both loudness and duration, we are shortening the unaccented syllable. Now, here we have another example, late. Late. We say, don't come late to office. Don't go late to school. Late. But here, congratulate. I congratulate you. It's not late, it's late. Congratulate. Why? Because this was the accented syllable gra. Congratulate. Gra was the accented part. Congratulate. So when this is unaccented, we shorten it and say congratulate. Mate. Classmate or something. Mate. When we say intimate. Intimate. Here, this is the accented syllable, the red one. So intimate, the unaccented syllable, mate, is shortened to met. Intimate, intimate. Both the duration and the loudness will be lower. Intimate. Now, words like spoonful, in the words, it's not if the words, in the words, spoonful, glassful, we say full is receiving a lower degree of emphasis and duration. We don't say spoonful, we say spoonful, glassful. A spoonful and glassful. So the full is sent with a lower degree of emphasis or prominence. Now the second part of the application of this one. The same principle, and now we are going to apply in a slightly different situation. Compare the words. He is quite content with what he with his performance. Sorry, with his performance, not what is, with his performance. He is quite content with his performance. He is quite content with his performance. Content. I have not checked the content of this packet. Content. So here, he is quite content with his performance. Content means satisfied. He is quite satisfied. I have not checked the content. Content means what it contains, the packet. It might contain some books. It might contain some papers. It might contain something eatable. It might contain your Christmas cake. It might contain some chocolates. It might contain some bottles or sachet of shampoo. I have not checked the content, what is inside the packet, what the packet contains. I have not checked the content. So content means what is inside, the content, what it contains, and he's quite content. Content means satisfied. Now, why do we have content but content? Now, let us see the reason. Control, condition, continue, convey, communicate. Now, what is written in red is the accented part. Control, condition, continue, convey, communicate. So, the accent is not falling on the first CON. The first syllable CON, the accent does not fall on that. The accent falls on the second syllable. So we say control, condition, continue. Here, the accent falls on the first one, CON. Sorry, N also should be red. N is black here, N also should be red. Here, it falls on the first part, contact, conclave, constant, console. So here, the letter N also should be red in color. The accent falls on the CON part, the first syllable. So when the accent falls on this one, we call contact, convoy, conclave, constant, and console. And when the accent does not fall on it, it falls on the second syllable. We say control, condition, continue, convey, communicate. So that is the difference. When the accent falls on it, we say contact, convoy. And when the accent does not fall on it, we say control, condition, continue, That was Easy Elite English with our commonly mispronounced words, part 2. We'll be coming back with more useful videos. Till then, be with us, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Goodbye and thank you.